Look at the mountain back there. It's so cool. We are on our way back to the city. I am going to drive on the southern Westfjords. We're not going to go through the Dýrafjörður as we usually do. The plan is to stop on some nice mountains on the way. Dynjandi, the waterfall, it's one of the most famous waterfalls here in Iceland. It's 100 meters tall. The first mountain that we're going to stop in is at Önundafjörður. That's a very beautiful fjord here in the Westfjords. Has yellow sand beaches that look so good when it's summer. There are some really cool cliffs that I have actually flown by before, but it has been a while and now I have better gear, so I want to see how these cliffs actually look like with this drone. Look at the mountain back there. It's so cool. Alright, this was super cold sand. I can't wait to see it. See you guys on the next spot. Do you see the mountain over there in the middle? We are gonna go through a tunnel through it, but it's one of those mountains that I really want to capture as well. It has this very nice and narrow mountain ridge on top. Looks like we are able to send it here. Let me see. Yeah, they've dug out. Oh, they've dug out some nice place here they've dug out some nice area here on the side where you can stop. So that's good. We are in Dýrafjörður. Behind me you can see the Dýrafjörður tunnels, and up there is the mountain that we're gonna sand. I'm just gonna put it down here. So yeah, we're gonna go up with the ridge, and we will be following the ridge all the way up to the top, and hopefully dive down and bring the drone back. Yeah, the cold is very cold here. Props good. yeah, we just have to send it, and hopefully, let me see, hopefully everything will be good. It's so cold. All right, I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna heat up my fingers. So I put on my electric gloves. I still can't find my fingers. This is the most pain that I felt in a very long time. Yeah, and yeah, I should have just flown with the gloves on. It would have been easier than, yeah, not feeling anything. So yeah, we're gonna go next. I think the next spot is going to be Dynjandi. Let's see how it looks there. Let's see if we still have some daylight, and yeah, see you over there. We are arriving at Dynjandi and it really looks like winter wonderland. Just see. Yeah, there are some waterfalls. I wonder if the charging stations here are still operative. Maximum 90 minutes per charge. Huh. I just plugged my car in. I'm gonna let you see it here. It's a free charging at Dynjandi. This is pretty amazing. Just check the view. This is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Iceland and it has free charging. We arrived at Dynjandi waterfall. I have a drone ready and we are basically ready to send it. Fly with the gloves on. I'm not very used to that, but it's better than using. didn't crash, that's good. There were some drops on the camera parts, but I think there were some part of the flight that actually was solid. Yeah, this whole fjord, this fjord is called Arnarfjörður, and I think it's probably one of the most beautiful fjords in Iceland, all Iceland. So if you can visit, doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. Summer is great, of course, but it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm now going up to a mountain road called Dynjandisheiði. It's often not possible during the winter time, but I checked the maps and you can go there now. So yeah, we're gonna go over there to area called Flókalundur. That's where we can charge if you need to. I don't think we have to. It's a really nice area. Has some hot springs. If you want to go in, we'll see. We are on our way back. As you can see, it's already a bit dark. We didn't stop on any hot spring on the way. I didn't have a towel with me, and it would have been a bit too cold to be in -8 degrees Celsius and no towel coming out of the hot spring. The weather is not perfect. It has been getting progressively worse on the way back. Even almost got stuck on a bridge where there was a lot of snow that had piled up, but the key is to just keep on moving without stopping when we have these big piles of snow, because if you stop you get stuck. So yeah, it was a great day, awesome day of travels, great flights. Hope you guys enjoyed traveling with me today and flying, and see you on the next one.